All right, guys, welcome back. We're finally gonna finish this wall, so let's get at it. So I'm gonna be using these 4x8 sheets. They look just like siding, and they kind of are like tongue and groove, and they join up together. So it makes it simpler, and I'll get you a closer look. Yeah, you can kind of see that it's even textured. So that'll be nice. And then I could probably even stain it. So first thing I'm gonna do is mount a 2x4, so that way I can just rest the siding pieces on there and not have to struggle lifting it. Hi, Cena. Oh, girl. And later, once this ice thaws, then I can actually take the skirting off and shove that foil behind the skirting. Well, let's get one up into place and see how it goes. Mailman's here, hold on. So what came was the hydraulic oil for the tractor, which I'll have to add because I think we're low. So you know what also helps you move on from a separation is being productive and working on yourself. I'm gonna have to snag the ladder for this part. Yeah. Probably gonna have to back the screws off that edge so that way the tongue and groove can slide in. Otherwise it might be pinched down too far. I'm just gonna loosen them up a bit. Next sheet, it's going pretty quick. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Hold it. So I'm tightening this screw down so it goes over the tongue and groove, and then tightening this one down after, and just making sure that there's no gaps in that seam. But yeah, so far 2 down. Not too much to go. Just gotta finish tightening down this guy, and then I think I'll have to move that 2x4 over or add another one. You know, I don't understand why more people don't use this siding. It's so easy. I mean, it's $64 a sheet, but for the time it takes and the coverage that you get for 4x8 sheets, way better, buddy. So the one nice thing about these panels is it's one solid piece. So even in the winter, like the wind blowing through it, there's not very many seams for any penetration. Plus we have this tinfoil insulation, the bubble insulation there. So I think that's gonna solve any issues. Anybody got a third hand? All right, it's time for the next sheet. Come on, bro. I'd have to rethink that. It's not sliding under these troughs. So a little cursing and swearing and hammering, and that piece is in. So the thing about this stuff too is it's pretty thin. So you gotta kind of look down it and see if it's bowed. Add a screw here and there. So I don't know if you can see that when you're looking down. Sometimes there's a little bump. So I'm just adding screws to get rid of it. All right, so we're really cruising along here, and I think we'll be done pretty quick. I'm gonna hammer that. You keep an eye on the gap. Almost, just a little bit. That looks pretty good. All right, one last final sheet to bring from the truck, and we're gonna call it a day. So because there's a little overhang of the 2x4 that I can set the corner on, I'm not going to screw another 2x4, because as long as the gap going all the way up is the same, then it should be level. I gotta flip this around. If you got a partner or a spouse that doesn't believe in you, they're really not on your side, and they really don't love you. So let them go. It's all for the best. I need to tap that over a bit. I just need Thor's hammer.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. I figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's spread paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big right where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends feel the same. I guess the story's life.
All right, guys, home stretch.
Hell, and you can keep the 9 to 5. Have to win a simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time.
So as you can see, we got the wall done pretty quick. It's nice to get this one done and out of the way. It's kind of been lingering for a few videos, and I'm happy we just got it done. So thanks for sticking around, guys. If you like what I'm doing here, like and subscribe. And as always, stay safe, stay warm, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.